we're talking about beauty by design, giving you the information you need to design your own beauty regimen inside and out. Putting your best face forward builds confidence, and that in itself is beautiful. It can be a tough struggle, though, for 25% of men and 50% of women who are dealing with adult acne. Others are dealing with unwanted hair. Office treatments can be expensive. Certain medications can come with side effects. So what do? Here with two new do-it-yourself devices is Dr. Jim Cain with Innovative Aesthetics. Hi there. Good. And it's just, you know, we're all about convenience. So the cool thing about this is that you can do it yourself at home. And that, of course, cuts down the cost.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's talk about first hair removal. How many of you have had a little? Yeah, look, see, she's not ashamed. She is raising her hand. Mustache or beard? Mustache, arms, the whole bit. Okay. And sometimes, you know, we're talking about acne as well, but sometimes that hair growth can cause the acne as well. So,
that's true.
Tell us about the other procedures to get rid of hair and why this one is so different.
Well, everyone's familiar with waxing, I presume. Everyone loves waxing. If you go to a dermatologist's office or a physician's office and have laser hair removal, have any of you done that?
Okay. You're like, yes. A couple of you are like, yes.
It's expensive, right? It may take 4 or 5 trips, and a session may take, you know, an hour and may cost $200 or $300. So you're looking at a couple of $1,000s by the time you're through with it.
Yeah. But with the Silken, what are we talking about here, and how does this work?
Well, it's an intense pulse light technology, and what it does is it works just like the laser in the dermatologist's office or the physician's office. What it does is it damages the hair follicle, and then in a week or two it falls out.
In a week or two?
Mm-hmm.
And when it falls out, does it ever grow back?
It does not.
Oh, never plucking again. All right, and so how does it feel? Is it something that's, did we feel the pulse? Is it?
I actually like it.
Well, let me tell you where I got a couple of hairs right here.
Well, I do have to say one thing. I'm just going to demonstrate it on my hand here.
Okay.
So it's very simple. You turn it on, you let it warm up, you select the level that you'd like, place it on your skin.
Okay, let me feel.
Let me turn it down for you.
Okay. All right.
I'm not pushing her in this.
Oh, I actually like it.
All right, here we go.
Oh, it's like a little warm light. It's a little burst of warmth there. All right, so that gets rid of that hair fall. You can use this on what parts of the body?
Well, it's approved for any part except for the face.
Okay.
And
so underarm, legs, the
underarms, legs. You can use it, you know, at your own convenience, watching TV or lying in bed or whatever you want.
You can go in the bathroom and never come out. But again, how many times? So you say it falls out in a few days, but do you do this once to the hair follicle, or do you do this several times?
Usually you'll have to treat an area 4 or 5 times, because what you're doing is you're killing off the hair that's actively growing, and at any one time that's usually only about 1/5 of the hair in an area. So you know, you wait a couple of weeks, the next 1/5 starts growing, and you knock that out. So usually it takes 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, all right, that's pretty awesome. Okay, acne. That's the other thing that so many of us deal with. How many of you thought you were done with acne in your teenage years, only to find that it has come back? We have Carla Valencia, who's in the audience with us today, and you have beautiful skin. I never knew that you had a struggle with acne, but what happened with you?
I just, you know, the breakouts stopped and then they started again, and I didn't know what to do, and I tried the Tanda. I tried lots of things before this, and you know, something will work for a little bit and then it'll stop and then they come back. But I mean, like today I'm just wearing mascara and I put on like a little bit of foundation so I wouldn't shine. But other than that, I mean, I've been using it for about a month now, hasn't it been? About a month maybe? But I saw an immediate difference from one day to the next.
Wow. Okay. So several different causes of acne: bacteria, hormones, stress. But how does this work to get rid of the acne?
This actually destroys the bacteria. Blue light. This is you know, LED light technology, and blue light is actually toxic to the bacteria that causes the acne. So if you use this in conjunction with your other therapies, you can really decrease outbreaks. Also, the great thing about this is some patients are able to cut down on more serious treatments like antibiotic therapy, or they don't have to go to Accutane, which has its own problems. So.
Right, and we want to look at some like before and afters here. But so there you go, and this is after 11 days. That's amazing. And Carl, I got to ask you, what did that do for your self-confidence? Because we can hide body parts. It's hard to hide our face.
It really is. And and with the magazine, I go out a lot, and it's like you've got to put on makeup and then the powder, but then they get crusty, and you can't sort of hide them. But now I can go out without makeup. I can go work out, and you don't have to be covering yourself up all the time. And it's so easy to use. I mean, I sit at home, and I just watch TV, and I'm like, and it just. But it's like, it's a quick, I mean, it works.
Yeah.
It's definitely, I just use that and I wash my face and, I go see my esthetician and get cleaned up a little bit, but even she was shocked.
Yeah. Okay, so on this, is this something that you use for how long? As long as you're dealing with the acne, or is it once a week? Is it how long often?
You can use it every day. It has no side effects, no downtime. You can use it on all skin types. You can throw it in a suitcase and take it with you. You just recharge it. I mean, it's really foolproof. You turn it on. Put it on the area to be treated. You leave it there until it beeps, then you move to the next area.
All right. If you want to find out more about the Tanda or Silken device, you can call Innovative Aesthetics at this number at 713-468-8759. 713-468-8759. You can also log on to their website, ia-houston.com. That's not the word dash, it's a dash. So ia-houston.com.